Hello, amazing people. This is your friend Richa Dubey. Today, I will be sharing with you another beautiful exercise that is super effective and is known to give amazing results. It's called Money Shower. We are in the process of activating your money energy and getting you in the receiving mode. We are turning your subconscious mind towards prosperity, the money, the wealth, and the wealthy and prosperous life you want to live. Today, we are going to indulge in a very powerful and very simple exercise. This will be the easiest exercise you have ever done, and this will bring lots of changes inside you. It's a very beautiful activity, friends. So, in this activity, what you are going to do, whenever you are taking a shower, the water falling on your head and body, just imagine that instead of water, currency notes are pouring from your shower with the same intensity and with the same speed, just like water flowing on your body. In your washroom around you, you are fully covered in this water of money. So, whenever you're taking a shower, visualize that currency notes are falling on you. How will you feel when so much money is around your body? Feel that experience. Imagine you haven't seen so much money, absolutely enormous amount of money in your entire life, and now you are feeling this energy, feeling these currency notes around you. So there are two ways to do this exercise. One, while taking the shower, you will feel that currency notes are pouring out of the shower instead of water, feeling that notes are coming out. And the second way to do this activity is to visualize the same. You have to do this thrice a day. Visualize that you are taking a shower and currency notes are pouring instead of water. Feel the experience. Feel the emotion. Feel the physical touch of those currency notes. Feeling is everything. Enjoy your day, friends.